Now we have given a to the power a equal to 640. Now we have to find out the value of a. So a to the power a equal to 640. Now we are taking log in both sides. So we will get log 8 to the power a equal to log 64. Now a log 8 equal to log 64, that 640, that is 640. Okay, so you can write by 64 into 10. Now a log 8 equal to log 64 plus log 10, because we know log a dot b equal to log a plus log b. Now a log 8 equal to log 2 to the power, we can write it 8 to the power 2 plus log 10. A log 8 equal to 2 log 8 plus log 10. So both sides we can divide by log 8. Now a equal to 2 plus log 10 by log 8, or a 2 plus log 2 into 5 by log 8. So 2 to the power 3, or 2 equal to log 2 plus log 5 by 3 log 2. Now equal to 2 plus log 2 by 3 log 2 plus log 5 by log 2 equal to 2 plus 1 by 3 log 2 is cancelled, plus 1 by 3 log 2 5, because log a b equal to log b by log a. Now 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 log 2 5 equal to, so this is the value of a. This is the value of a. So we are getting 3 6 plus 1 plus 1 by 3 log 2 5 equal to 7 by 3 plus 1 by 3 log 2 5 or 7 plus log 2 5 by 3. So this is the final answer. Thanks for watching.